Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss a very popular career path in the tech industry, web development. If you are considering becoming a web developer or don't know where to start, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is web development? Web development is a process of creating websites or web applications. It involves tasks such as designing a website interface, coding, and programming the functionality of the website. Provide educational background. While many web developers have a degree in computer science or related field, but it's not a strict requirement. What's more important is your understanding of web technologies and your ability to apply them. This can be learned through a variety of means, including traditional degree program, online courses, bootcamp, or self-study. Here are some essential skills that you need to become a web developer. Number one, HTML and CSS. These are the building blocks of web development. HTML is used for creating your web pages, and CSS is used for styling these pages. Number two, JavaScript. This is a programming language of the web. It's used to make websites interactive. Number three, responsive design. With the variety of devices available today, it's important to ensure that your website looks good and works well on all device sizes. Number four, version control and Git. This helps you track changes to your code and collaborate with other developers. Then you have to gain practical experience. Start working on projects that allow you to apply what you have learned. This could be something as simple as creating a personal website or something more complex like building a web application. You have to build a portfolio. As you work on projects, showcase them in a portfolio. This could be a GitHub repository or personal website. A well-documented portfolio can set you apart from other candidates. Also, you have to keep learning. The field of web development is always evolving. Keep learning the new tools, languages, and techniques. Participate in online communities, attend webinars, workshops, stay updated with the latest trend in the industry. That's it for today's video. We hope this roadmap helps you on your journey to become a web developer. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you.